to be able to use voice recognition where you talk and it just types what you want on a phone, an Android phone, you have to have a microphone on the when you go to type. For example, I'll just go here to show you what that would normally look like. Okay. If I want to compose there, you'll notice over here there's the microphone. If you haven't got a microphone on your keyboard, there's a number of ways of trying to make it so that it does have the microphone there. One of the ways is on your keyboard, if you do a long press on the space bar, it may say change the keyboard and may actually say a certain keyboard with voice typing if it's an older version of Android. If that still doesn't work, right, then you're going to have to go into language settings. I can go into it here, but I'll just show you another way of going into it. All right, I'll come completely out of this and back to the home screen. If you haven't got that microphone there, and another way of getting to it is to go into settings. There are multiple ways of going into settings. I'm going in this little cog here by swiping down. I'll just do that again by swiping down twice on the home screen, then touching the little cog there, which takes me into settings. Within settings, I then go into language. All right, so where is it? Language and input. Mine's currently set for English Australia and English United States. We go in there. All right, it says language English Australia, English United States, spell checker, purchase, things like that. And it says physical keyboard, virtual keyboard. Okay. If you want to, you may need to manage the keyboards, in which case you press a plus there, and you can select the keyboard that you want to be able to use. For example, this one, notice is ticked, Google Voice Typing. It's done automatically. If you've got Google Voice Typing there and it's not switched on, like I do that, it switches it off, do that, switches it on, then it will start working. If you haven't got Google Voice Typing on your in this listing at all, what you might have to do is go and install a new keyboard. To do that, you do that from the Google Play Store. If you've got a problem doing that, email me and I can either talk you through it or I'll show another video of how to install a new keyboard via the Google Play Store. But that's basically it, all right? That's how you make sure you've got the microphone on your keyboard so that you can do voice typing. Any questions? Drop me an email.